Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Chatbase and Botpress. In order to do so, here we are at botpress.com, and we're also taking a look at chatbase.co. According to Cider Fusion, Chatbase and Botpress are platforms designed for creating and managing chatbots, but they do have different features and functionalities that cater to varying needs in the chatbot development landscape. Here's a detailed comparison. Chatbase is developed by Google and is primarily a chatbot analytics platform designed to help developers and businesses analyze and optimize their chatbots. It targets those who want insights into chatbot performance, user interactions, and areas for improvement. Botpress, on the other hand, is an open source conversational AI platform that allows developers to build, manage, and deploy chatbots. It's geared towards businesses and developers looking for a highly customizable solution that supports complex dialogue flows and integrates with various messaging platforms. Core features: Chatbase includes a analytics dashboard which provides analytics on user interactions, engagement metrics, and performance insights, allowing developers to understand how users are interacting with their chatbots. It identifies issues and conversations that lead to user drop-offs or misunderstandings and offers suggestions to improve chatbot training and user experience based on interaction data. Botpress, on the other hand, features a user-friendly interface for designing conversational flows, making it easy to create complex dialogues. It integrates NLP capabilities, natural language processing, for understanding user intents and entities to enhance conversation quality. It allows developers to extend functionalities with plugins or custom code, making it very flexible. It enables deployment across various messaging center channels, including Facebook, Messenger, Slack, and more, from a single bot instance. User experience: Chatbase focuses mainly on analytics, provides a straightforward experience for users primarily interested in tracking and improving existing chatbots rather than building them. The user interface is designed for data analytics and insights, which may require some familiarity with analytics tools. Botpress, on the other hand, offers a more comprehensive experience for building chatbots. The visual design interface and modular approach helps developers create and maintain chatbots without extensive programming knowledge, though coding can enhance capabilities. Integration and scalability: Chatbase integrates with various chatbot platforms, but its primary focus is on analytics. It's best used in conjunction with existing chatbots to enhance their performance via data-driven insights. Botpress is an open source platform. It supports extensive integrations with different applications and services. Developers can deploy their Botpress-based chatbots to numerous channels, making it scalable for various types of businesses. As far as community and support, Chatbase is backed by Google. It benefits from robustness and reliability. However, its community may not be as extensive compared to open source alternatives, as it is more focused on analytics rather than open development. Botpress, on the other hand, has a growing community of developers contributing to its open source platform. It offers comprehensive documentation, community support, and resources to help users build and manage their chatbots. In summary, choose Chatbase if you already have a chatbot and want to enhance its performance through detailed analytics and insights. It's especially beneficial for understanding user interactions and improving bot responses. Choose Botpress if you need a platform to build, deploy, and manage chatbots with customizable features and robust NLP capabilities. It's well suited for developers aiming to create sophisticated conversational experiences from scratch. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at our link tree in the description. Click on that and you will be taken to our link tree where you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Sintra AI. Skillcraft 60 will get you 60% off your subscription. We can't recommend Sintra enough. It's a fantastic platform. If you're interested in Cider, click on the link there to get started, and also take a look at EnzoBot. Click on those links. You'd be helping us out and we would greatly appreciate it.